let's take a closer look at this new smartphone from Samsung. First off, we have the packaging. The Samsung S23 Plus comes in a sleek, compact box that has minimal branding and is made from eco-friendly materials. Inside the box, you'll find the phone itself, a charging cable, a quick start guide, and a SIM card removal tool. Now, let's move on to the phone itself. The Samsung S23 Plus features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The phone is powered by a Snapdragon 888 processor and 8 GB of RAM, which provides speedy and responsive performance. One of the standout features of the Samsung S23 Plus is its camera system. The phone features a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. This camera system offers a wide range of shooting options, from landscape photos to close-up shots. In terms of battery life, the Samsung S23 Plus has a 4,500 mAh battery that should last all day with moderate use. The phone also supports 25 watts fast charging, which means you can quickly top up the battery when you're in a hurry. The Samsung S23 Plus also features a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition technology for added security. And if you're a fan of wireless charging, the phone has you covered. It supports 15 watts wireless charging. Overall, the Samsung S23 Plus is a solid smartphone that offers a range of impressive features. From its vibrant display and powerful processor to its versatile camera system and long-lasting battery, this phone is sure to appeal to a wide range of users.